Hey guys, this is another video from where you can find the Epic Fighter Jet. But this isn't an Epic Fighter Jet. It's a car that you can get. I'm in an airplane. Oh crap. As you can see, it's right. Hold on. Let me get up close to it like this. As you can see, it's right over there. It's right over there. If you want me to fly it, I'm about to do that. And also, I know some cheat codes for this game. I'll be telling you some right now. Cheat code is cheese, and it gives you money. See, look, you can actually fly. But I'm not going to do that because I'm going to go show you another airplane. Hold on. Stop. It's not letting me get on. Give me the frick on my bike. This is 100% not clickbait. And also, I'll be showing you the locations on my mini-map in a minute. And here's the fighter jet. Here's the fighter jet, which you can actually, hold on, sorry for the wobblings on my tablet and recording. Here's a fighter jet that you can actually fly. And just in case you forgot, cheat code is cheese, and it gives you money. And also, yeah, peace out. I'll be giving y'all some more codes in the future, so bye.